we're going to talk about supervised learning. So there is supervised learning and unsupervised learning in machine learning, and today we're going to talk about supervised. So when there is data x 1, 2, 3, and it goes to the 4, 5, 6, they're each on to the answer y. This answer, when it exists, is called supervised. So when there is like three levels, so 4, 5, 6, and maybe there is more data, 7, 8, and more go on, and it goes to the 6 and 6. It cannot be linear, but let's talk about it later. There is three level total, right? Then it's called the multi-label classification. So when there's another data, random data come next time, we can divide it to 4 or 5 or 6. We can classify them. But when there is only two answers, so let's say 0, 0, 1, so there's only two options that data can be classified. It's called binary classification. And there is one more, which is called regression. I'll take you one example. So let's say students really work hard, study hard to get a great score. Maybe there is some relation between those, right? Let's say student A studied 4 hours and B 5 hour, C 6 hours, and they got 70, 80, 100 score. I don't know about the model how it will be, but there is complicated. There's only, it's not like a label. There is a specific value. So if you train this data for and make model, and then next time when there is new input like 7 hour study student, maybe they can guess he can get a score 100. Or let's say there is student who studied 3 hours, maybe 60, 50, or 55. I don't know, but it depends on how we train. There can be a little bit, and all the time it can be different value, but at least we can guess how it will be. And but if we not if model trained the wrong way and it suggest or like classify, not classify, but make result that only 3 hours student made 100, like all right, it can be wrong, but it depends on the model. But yeah, so there is three-way regression and binary classification, multi-label classification in supervised learning, and we're going to talk about how it goes deeply with mathematical model on next lecture. Thank you.